Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement, pronoun and comparison. Let us begin. It says the pattern of whisker spot on the face of a male lion like human fingerprints are a lifelong means of identification since they are both unique and unchanging. So, first of all, subject verb agreement error. Verb. If verb is just after comma, subject will be before first comma. Alright. What if there is phrase before first comma, subject will be before first preposition. So, pattern is subject and pattern is a lifelong means of identification will be the correct one. Alright. Let me repeat, whenever there is verb after comma, subject will be before first comma. In case of phrase before first comma, subject will be before first preposition. So out. Second, since they are both. So what both? Actually, pattern is both unique and unchanging. Pattern singular and that is why they cannot be used. That is called pronoun error. So option A out. Option B. Like human fingerprints is a lifelong means of identification since it is both unique and unchanging is fine. Like human fingerprints is a means of identification for life. Look here, it is changing meaning. The intention of passage is that the identification lasts whole life, but it says it's a means of identification for life. It means what? This is necessary for life, it is important for life. So it is changing meaning. Second, being both unique and unchanging. Though being both unique and changing is not wrong, but yeah, there is redundancy. Why? Because generally, comma plus ing modifies clause. But here, because it is being and that is why it is confusing that it is for life or it is for is a means. So that is one of the redundancies. See out. Since they are both unique and unchanging are are subject verb agreement error. Why? Because again subject will be pattern are, so one of the error, and again are a means of identification. So there are two r's, but it is not sure that what r it is talking about, which one, because see, since they are both unique and unchanging, and after that again, so this is one of the error. Like human fingerprints, unchanging. Look here, both unique and unchanging like human fingerprints. So here human fingerprints is related to pattern of whisker, not unique and unchanging. So this is called comparison error. D out. E says both unique and unchanging are like human fingerprints, a lifelong means of identification. So like our fingerprints, like human fingerprints, a lifelong means of identification, or unique unchanging like human fingerprints. In both cases, it is incorrect. Why? Because like human fingerprints should be for the pattern of whisker, because it has been placed after two commas and that is why it will modify either this one or this one, as the sentence has intention to talk about pattern of whisker, and that is why it is incorrect. B becomes best option, and this option has also subject verb agreement error as we have already discussed.